Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do my monthly drawing for my design team project for Creating with Jovi. So if you'll remember from my very first video when I announced that I was becoming a design team member for Jovi, I did say that I was going to host a giveaway every month, and what would happen is you would have to watch all of the videos for the Creating with Jovi projects that I do throughout the month, and then the beginning of the following month I would do a drawing and give away at least one of those prizes. So this is the very first giveaway, and the prize is going to be this little box here and all of the cute little journals that are tucked away inside. And yeah, I really enjoyed making this project, and this digital kit was called Mouse Travels from Jovi's Etsy shop, and it is totally adorable and perfect for a vintage shabby kind of a project. So that is what I did here, and I just want to show you I did do a second project, which was the set of 4 cards using the papers as well. And what I've decided to do to celebrate the first giveaway is actually give away both of these projects. So the first drawing is going to be for this, and the second drawing is going to be for this. Now, I did want to remind everybody about the rules. So you had to watch all of my Creating with Jovi videos that I post in any given month. So if I do one video, that one's going to be a prize video. If I do 2, the prize could come from either one, but you have to watch all of those videos. So if I did 4 projects, most likely I won't have time to do 4 projects. Theoretically, you would have to watch all 4 videos. So with that in mind, I did want to mention that on the initial video for this one, I had 30 comments, and on the video for this one, I had 19. So obviously, everybody didn't watch both videos. So I did make a list, and I'm going to show you right here. I've got a list of all of the people who watched both videos, and then I marked whether they watched the first video or the second video, and then I went across and I found out who watched both videos. Okay, so that was a total of 14 people. So let me just put the projects aside here for a moment, and I am going to just go down the list. So I'm going to skip over the people who only watched one video for now. And by the way, I have marked both videos in the description box as being closed, so no further comments, or you can leave a comment, but no further entries can be made on those videos. So I have number 4, who is Sheikah B, number 5, who is Butterfly Crafts and Crochet, number 6, It's a Deal, number 8, Alma Ticer 3737, number 11, Gina Loves to Craft, number 14, Cheryl Santoro, number 16, Laura's Plans and Crafts. Number 21, Laura's Design Studio. Number 22, Denise Abate Smith, 1933. Number 23 is Today with Erika Fay. Number 26 is Gwen the Trash Witch. 27, Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. 28 is Lisa Burns 599. And the last one is 33, who is Paper Confessions with Cara Mia. So those are the 14 people who commented and watched both videos. So what I did, and we're going to do this one old school like a previous video that I did, I put the numbers that correspond to those people on this sheet of paper. So I'm just going to put that aside. I've got a little bowl here. I am going to cut these up. We're going to put them in the bowl and draw ourselves a winner. Okay, that one's blank, so we're going to get rid of that one. Okay, so this is the weekend, because I'm recording this on Saturday, August 2nd, that I am drawing all of the contest winners for my various videos that I had giveaways on. So you will probably see a couple of winner videos popping up in the next few days. Besides that, I've been working on some projects, and I'm going to leave the projects as a surprise for right now. So I'm going to fold these in half and just drop them. Actually, I think I'm going to fold them in quarters and drop them down inside my little bowl here. Yeah, so why don't you guys, if you don't mind, leave me a note down below and let me know what you've been working on this weekend. I don't want to share mine because the video is going to be coming up on Monday, and yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. So let me get these folded up. And I do have my oldest son and my grandson staying with me this weekend. They actually just got here. So when I get done recording this video, it'll be dinner time, and then I may be done in my craft room for the night because I've been in here all day long, besides doing a few little things around the house, housework-wise. Okay, so we've got everybody in there, all 14 people. I'm just going to swish them around a little bit like that. And I'm going to wish everybody a good luck. I'm going to cover it up and just pick one out. Okay, I've got one right here. Let's see who it is. This is number 28, and number 28 on our list is Lisa Burns 599. So congratulations, Lisa. I'm not sure if I have your address, so I would appreciate it if you would leave me a comment below this video. You have 1 week from the date that this video posts to let me know that you have seen the video, you know you're my winner. Then either contact me by email, and I will have my email in the description box down below, or on Instagram on my page there, which is Papercrafting with Enis, just like here on YouTube. So congratulations to Lisa. So she won the number 1 prize. And then we're going to go for the number 2 prize. So I'm going to mix them up again and cover them up and just pick one out. All right, this is for the set of cards, and it's number 14, and number 14 is Cheryl Santoro. Congratulations to you as well, Cheryl. So you have the same instructions as Lisa Burns. You need to leave me a comment down below letting me know that you saw this video and that you're a winner. Contact me within a week from the posting of the video, or either by email or on my Instagram page. And if neither winner contacts me within a week of the posting of this video, then I'll draw again for whatever prize isn't claimed. Thanks again, everybody. And don't forget for my winners to contact me within a week, and I'll catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.